Good morning. In the previous lecture, we talked about inner product, yes, and we also worked two problems on inner product. After that, we went for Smith's orthonormalization method, and let us work out one problem on it. And the problem is obtain Let me read the problem. Obtain a set of 4 orthonormal vectors from the following 4 linearly independent vectors: A1, 1 1 0 1, 1 1 0 1, A2, 1 0 0 2, 1 0 0 2, A3, 0 1 2 minus 3, 0 1 2 minus 3, A4, 1 1 1 1. Let us try to solve this problem so that we will get the set of 4 orthonormal vectors, and for this we shall use Stamets method of orthonormalization. In the flow of talk, sometimes I may put some number wrongly. Remind me so that it will be corrected. This happens sometimes. Let us go to the solution. Step 1. What is step 1? First orthonormal vector B1 is equal to first vector from the linearly independent vectors. So B1 is equal to A1, that is nothing but 1 comma 1 comma 0 comma 1. Equation number 1, B1 is obtained. Then step number 2, B2 is equal to A2 plus A21 B1, equation number 2. A2 is known, B1 is known, A21 is to be found, and formula to find A21 is equal to minus of A2 comma B1 divided by B1 comma B1. Let us substitute the values for A2 and B1. A2 is here 1 comma 0 comma 0 comma 2. B1 is here 1 comma 1 comma 0 comma 1 divided by 1 comma 1 comma 0 comma 1 into 1 comma 1 comma 0 comma 1 with minus sign. This is equal to 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 1 0 plus 0 into 0 0 plus 2 into 1 2 minus with minus sign divided by 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 0 0 plus 1 into 1 1. This is equal to 1 plus 2 3 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. This is equal to minus 1. So we got A21 is equal to minus 1. So let us put here A21 is equal to minus 1 and get the value of B2. Therefore B2 is equal to A2. What is A2? This one. 1 0 0 2 1 0 0 2. A21, it is minus 1. So let me put minus here into B1. B1 is this 1 comma 1 comma 0 comma 1. This is equal to A2 plus A21 B1. A2 is this, substituted here. A21 is minus 1 substituted here. B1 is this 1 1 0 1, it is substituted here. 1 minus 1 0 0 minus 1 minus 1 0 minus 0 0 2 minus 1 1. Let us verify once more. 1 minus 1 0 0 minus 1 minus 1 0 minus 0 0 2 minus 1 1, and so we got B2 is equal to 0 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 1. Equation number, let me write this as 2. B1 is found in equation 1, B2 is found in equation 2 with this procedure. After that we need to find B3. So let me put B1 here. 1 1 0 1. B2 here, that is 0 minus 1 0 1. And now step number 3. We need values of A1, A2, A3. Okay. Now B3 is equal to A3 plus A31 B1 plus A32 B2. Equation number 4. First we need to find A31. A31 is equal to minus of A3 comma B1 divided by B1 comma B1. This is equal to with minus sign. What is A3? A3 is this. A3, yes, A3 is here. 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma minus 3 into B1. B1 is this 1, comma 1, comma 0, comma 1 divided by 1, comma 1, comma 0, comma 1 into the same thing is equal to with minus sign. 0 into 1, 0 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 0, 0 plus minus 3 into 1, minus 3 whole divided by 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 0 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 1, 1. This is equal to with minus sign. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 is not going to affect our value. 1 minus 3 minus 2 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Minus minus will become plus. So it is simply 2 by 3. So value of A31 is 2 by 3. After getting value of A31, we have to get value of A32. A32 is equal to minus of A3 comma B2 divided by B2 comma B2. This is equal to with minus sign A3 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma minus 3 into B2 is here 0 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 divided by 0 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 into same thing. This is equal to with minus sign 0 into 0, 0 plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1 plus 2 into 0, 0 plus minus 3 into 1, minus 3 divided by 0 into 0, 0 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 0 into 0, 0 1 into 1, 1. Let us verify once more. A3, this one 0 1 2 minus 3, 0 1 2 minus 3, correct. B2 0 minus 1 0 1, 0 minus 1 0 1, 0 minus 1 0 1, 0 into 0 0, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 2 into 0 0, minus 3 into 1 minus 3, 0 into 0 0, minus 1 into minus 1 1, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. So with minus 4 divided by 2, minus minus will be plus, plus 4 divided by 2, that is simply 2. So we got A31 is equal to 2 by 3 and A32 is equal to simply 2. Let us substitute these values for A31 and A32 in equation 4 to get B3. So B3 is equal to A3, this one, 0, 1, 2, minus 3 plus A31. A31 is what? 2 divided by 3 into B1. B1 is this, 1, 1, 0, 1 plus A32. A32 is 2, 2 into B2. B2 is this, 0, minus 1, 0, 1. This is equal to 0, 1, 2, minus 3 plus 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 0, 2 by 3 and plus 0, minus 2, 0, plus 2. This is written as it is. Each of these elements is multiplied by 2 by 3 to get 2 by 3, 2 by 3 is 0, 2 by 3. Each of these multiply by 2 to get 0, minus 2, 0, 2. And now let us add this, 0 plus 2 by 3 plus 0. 0 plus 2 by 3 plus 0, comma 1 plus 2 by 3 minus 2, comma 2 plus 0 plus 0, comma minus 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2. This is nothing but, first will be simply 2 by 3, comma. Now this is 1 minus 2 minus 1, 2 by 3 minus 1. 2 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 3 divided by 3, that is minus 1 by 3. So the second one is minus 1 by 3, comma 2 plus 0 plus 0, it is simply 2, comma this is minus 3 plus 2 minus 1, 2 plus 3 minus 1, the same thing, minus 1 by 3 will come here. So B3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 2 minus 1 by 3. Let us write it here. B3 is equal to 2 by 3, comma minus 1 by 3, comma 2, comma minus 1 by 3. This way B1, B2, B3 are found, and now what left is B4. B4 is given by we have to use this formula for that. And so before we have to A4 known, B1, B2, B3 known. We need to know A41, A42, A43. Let us find first A41. What is A4? A4 is this. And B1 is this one. 1, 1, 0, 1 divided by the same thing. One into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 1, 1 divided by 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 0 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it is minus 3 by 3, that is equal to minus 1. So value of A41 is minus 1. Now let us find value of A42. Minus A4 comma B2 divided by B2 comma B2, that is equal to minus A4 is this 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 into B2 is this 0 comma minus 1 0 1 divided by the same thing 0 minus 1 0 1 0 minus 1 0 1, that is equal to with minus sign 1 into 0 0 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 1 into 0 0 1 into 1 1 divided by 0 into 0 0 plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus 0 into 0 0 plus 1 into 1 1, that is equal to, let me verify once more, A4 correct, B2 0 minus 1 0 1 0 minus 1 0 1 0 minus 1 0 1 1 into 0 0 1 into minus 1 minus 1 1 into 0 0 1 into 1 1 0 into 0 0 minus 1 into minus 1 1 0 into 0 0 1 into 1 1 minus 1 plus 1, it is 0 0 by anything is 0. So A42 is simply 0. Then let us go for A42 minus A43 now, B3 divided by B3 comma B3, that is equal to with minus sign. A4 is this 1 1 1 1, B3 is this 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 2 minus 1 by 3, this whole divided by 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 2 minus 1 by 3 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 2 minus 1 by 3 with minus sign. 1 into 2 by 3, 2 by 3 plus 1 into minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 plus 1 into 2, 2. 1 into minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3. This whole divided by 2 by 3 into 2 by 3, 4 by 9, minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by 9 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3, 1 divided by 9. This is equal to, this 2 can be written as 2 3 is 6. Let me write this 2 as 6 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 6 by 3 is 2. 3 is here, 3 is here, 3 is here, 3 is here. Okay. Minus 1, minus 1. 6 plus 2, 8. So here we will have with minus sign, minus 1, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 minus 2, 6. 6 divided by 3, this whole divided by 4 by 9, 1 by 9, 1 by 9, this 4. 9 4s are 36. Let me write this 4 as 36 divided by 9. All are positive, right? Then 36 plus 4, 40, 41, 42. So it is 42 divided by 9. This can be solved further. Let me come to this side to solve it. 6 by 3 is 2 with minus sign, 2 divided by this 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay. Then this 3 3s are 9, 14 3s are 42. 3 3s are 9, 3 14s are 42. 14 by 3. That is nothing but 2 into 3 divided by 14. That is 6 divided by 14. This can be further. 2 3s are 6 and 2 7s are 14. So A4 3 is 3 by 7 with minus sign. Minus is there, yes. So it is with minus sign 3 by 7. And now let me substitute values of A4, A41, A42, A43 to get B4. So B4 is equal to A4. A4 is this 1, 1, 1, 1 plus A41 B1. What is A41? A41 is minus 1. Minus 1. B1 is 1, 1, 0, 1. A4 plus A41 B1 plus A42. And what is A42? A42 is 0. So this 0 multiplied by B2. What is B2? This one 0, minus 1, 0, 1 plus A42 B3. A42 is minus 3 by 7. Minus 3 by 7 into B3 it is there 2 by 3 comma minus 1 by 3 2 minus 1 by 3, and let me wipe it out so that I can continue these calculations for B4. And this will be what? B4 is equal to 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 0 1 plus 0 multiplied by all this will be simply 0 0 0 0 minus this is now 3 get cancel, it will be 2 by 7 comma 3 get cancel, it will be 1 minus 1 by 7 comma this will be 3 2s are 6 divided by 7 comma this will be just 1 minus 1 divided by 7, and now let us add all this 1 minus 1 minus 2 by 7 comma let us go to second 1 minus 1 minus minus plus 1 by 7 1 minus 1 minus minus plus 1 by 7 comma 1 minus 0 minus 6 by 7 comma 1 minus 1 and minus minus plus 1 by 7. This is equal to 1 minus 1 0. So it is simply minus 2 by 7. 1 minus 1 0. It is simply 1 divided by 7. And now this is 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 6 by 7, 1 minus 6 by 7 is equal to 7 minus 6 divided by 7, that is 1 by 7. So it also comes 1 by 7. This is minus 2 by 7, this is 1 by 7, this is 1 by 7, 1 minus 1 0, and what left is 1 by 7. And so we got B4 is equal to minus 2 by 7, 1 by 7, 1 by 7, 1 by 7. So here we obtained 4 vectors B1, B2, B3, B4 from the linearly independent set of vectors A1, A2, A3, A4. These are the orthogonal vectors. We are not interested in orthogonal vectors. We are interested in orthonormal vectors. How to get orthonormal vectors? To get orthonormal vectors, we have to find norm of B1, we have to find norm of B2, norm of B3, norm of B4. Let me first find norm of B1. norm of b1 will be 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1, and norm of b1 will be equal to root of 3. Norm of b1 is equal to root of 3. Then norm of b2, 0 into 0 0 plus minus 1 into minus 1 1, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, so it will be square root of 2. Norm of b2 is equal to square root of 2. Then let us go for norm of b3. Norm of b3 will be 2 by 3 into 2 by 3, that will be 4 divided by 9 plus minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that will be 1 divided by 9 plus this 2 can be considered as 6 by 3. 6 by 3 into 6 by 3, that will be 36 divided by 9. 2 2s are 4. 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36, plus minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3, that will be 1 by 9. This is equal to 40, 42, 42 divided by 9, that is 14 divided by 3, and this whole in square root to the power 1 by 2, to the power 1 by 2, and so this is just in square root. Norm of b3 is square root of 14 by 3. Then let us get norm of b4. Norm of b4 is equal to square root of minus 2 by 7 into minus 2 by 7, 4 divided by 49, plus 1 by 7 into 1 by 7, 1 by 49 plus 1 by 49 plus 1 by 49 to the power 1 by 2. This is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 divided by 49 inside the square root, that is nothing but 7 1s are 7, 7 7s are 49. That is simply 1 by 7 to the power 1 by 2, or simply square root of 1 divided by 7. This is norm of B4. And therefore, the orthonormal set of vectors for given linearly independent vectors will be B1 is equal to this divided by its norm, that is 1 by square root of 3 into 1 1 0 1. B2 will be equal to B2 divided by its norm, that is 1 divided by square root of 2 into 0 minus 1 0 1. B3 will be equal to this divided by its norm. Its norm is this one, that is what, 1 divided by square root of 14 by 3 into 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 6 by 3 minus 1 by 3. All these 3 can be taken common, so that B3 will be equal to 1 divided by square root of 14 divided by 3 into 9 3 when taken inside the square root, it will become 9, and what left inside is 2 comma minus 1 comma 6 comma minus 1. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, and so this is nothing but 1 divided by square root of 42 into 2 minus 1 6 minus 1. Correct. And what left is now before. For before, we have to take this thing, and norm of before is this one, and so before is equal to 1 divided by square root of 1 by 7 is simply square root of 7 into minus 2 by 7, 1 by 7, 1 by 7, 1 by 7. This 7 can be taken common throughout. So before is equal to square root of 7 divided by 49. The 7 taken common is taken inside the square root, and what left is minus 2, 1, 1, 1. 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are 49, and so before is equal to 1 divided by square root of 7 minus 2 comma 1 1 1. B1 1 by square root of 3 1 comma 1 comma 0 comma 1. B2 1 by root 2 0 minus 1 0 1. B3 here B3 1 by square root of 42 2 minus 1 6 minus 1. Finally B4 it is 1 by square root of 7 minus 2 1 1 1. So these B1 B2 B3 B4 obtained here, when divided by their norms, they get converted to orthonormal vectors. These are set of orthogonal vectors, and when these are divided by their norms, this B1, this B2, this B3, this B4, these are corresponding to a set of 4 orthonormal vectors. So this is the answer for the given problem. Hope you got it. Thank you.